In this video, I will show you how to combine videos on TikTok. Firstly, what is the most important when you open up the application? It is that to go on the create section or the button with the plus icon on the third side. Go click on it and simplify. When you're here, you need to go on your right wing to get up and simply go on uploading sessions from it. But I'm gonna go and take over for 3 minutes, then go upload. And from here you're gonna have the chance to upload more videos which are related onto your interests. I will go with select multiple, write down, go select the videos which are related on my interests, and then go next. And now when I got onto that setup, and yeah, I need to wait to get up to this loading session which is so important on it. And from here, when this is done, yeah, right now, and if you want to take over, you can get the best session on it. You have normal, you have caramel, you have whatever you want, the filters which you want, but the most important is to select the fifth place, which is adjust clips right there. And from here you need to go for auto sign. Click on that selection, wait to that session, and then simplify. You can change the parts on it by simply tapping hold on it, and then go save on your right upper side. And now, as you can see, we have done it.